Hello guys, namaste and welcome back to my channel. I'm Akriti. I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle and a lot more. So yeah, if you guys are interested in knowing what I got from Nika this time, then keep on watching this video and yeah, without blabbering, let's just get on with the video.
One, two, three, let's go!
Thing that I would like to tell you guys is that all of these products that I'm going to be showing are not like bought in just one time. These are the products that I've collected over a time of 2 or 3 months. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be sharing. So let's start with the first product. So the first product that I got is the foundation. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. This is like the smaller variant. So this is in the shade 128 warm nude, and yeah, this was for 300 rupees. So the second product is again a foundation. This one is the Maybelline's Super Stay foundation. This was on sale and that's why I got it. So yeah, that's just about the second product. Now let's move on to the third product, and which is this micellar water. This is by Simple and this one is for sensitive skin people. I don't really have sensitive skin, but I don't know, when I like remove my makeup, my skin breaks out a lot, and this has been working great. As you can see, I've used a little bit. So now let's move on to the next product. This is the next product that I got. This is the Himalayas Protein Nourishment Hair Cream. So I've been like really wanting to do something to my hair because my hair has become really dull. So yeah, I really wanted to like invest in something which really does something. And the next product that I got is this Biotique's face wash. I mean, I really like Biotique products, that is why I got the three of them together. So let's talk about them one by one. So this is the Biotique's Bio White Advanced Fairness face wash. So like, in any way, I am not promoting like white skin is better or anything like that. I completely ran out of my face wash, so I needed a face wash, and yeah, this is the thing. And yeah, you can, as you can see, it's almost like here I've completed this much, and yeah, it's proving to be great. Like, I use this every day and I really like it. So this one is again from Biotique. So this is a scrub. This is a revitalizing tan removal scrub. So I am that kind of person who gets tan really fast, and yeah, it's really difficult for me to remove tan. So yeah, although I'm not going anywhere, but yeah, using a scrub in general is really nice for skin. It makes our skin really soft. Now the third product, as you can see, this is like a super messy thing. So this one is the Biofruit Fruit Whitening Depigmentation and Tan Removal face pack. So yeah, I thought this combination was a really good combination because I was getting a face wash, scrub and even a face pack, and I think I really like this product because it really does make your skin feel a little brighter and removes depigmentation and tan. This is like my favorite product out of all. I mean, no, other products are also my favorite because I really like all of these products. So this one is the Maybelline's Hypercol Mascara, and oh my god, if you've watched my previous videos, you know how much in love I am with this product. And it was really like cheap. It was for 230 something rupees. So yeah, I thought I should buy this, and oh my god, this is like a really nice mascara. It provides you with volume along with that natural lift. I got this Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil. So it is a waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade 06 coffee brown. So the reason why I got coffee brown and not black, because I think black makes the face look a little weird, and I thought the brown shade would be perfect. It was for 75 rupees, and yeah, I think it's gonna last me like super long time. Now telling you about this product that I got. I was just randomly scrolling for things, and I just saw this nail polish which I'm wearing right now, which have like really got chopped off because I've been wearing it for like 2 weeks now. And yeah, so anyways, so yeah, I really like this color. Like, coral pinks are like my favorite color. I don't know why. Now let's move on to the lipsticks. I have a lot of lipsticks. I have like 4 lipsticks. All of these are like super cheap lipsticks. But yeah, these are good lipstick. I mean, I've been using these for like a really long time. I got these about like 2 or 3 months back, and I've been using these, and I really like these because these are like bullet lipsticks. Starting with the first, one is the Faces Canada mini lipstick. So I don't know why they call this mini lipstick, because it's like the full size bullet lipstick. And just look at the beautiful shade. So this color is called as Fuchsia Wave. As you can see, this is a beautiful color. I mean, I'm really into pink colors, so this one is really great. And I think I got this for around 250 rupees, which I think is really affordable product. Now next, moving on to this one. So this one is by L18, and it's a lip crayon. It's like in the shade Peach Love. So it's very similar to this color, and yeah, let me show you. And actually this is the one I'm wearing right now, and yeah, I think this looks really cute on me because I'm more into like pinkish nude. Let's move on to the third lipstick, which is again from L18. It is the L18 Color Pops Matte Lipstick. So although I would like to tell you that this packaging is really cheap, it's very light. I mean, you can tell, but yeah, this is the third shade. I mean, look at it, can have a look. It is like this beautiful color. I mean, I'm really in love with this. Let's move on to the last product, which is this Biotique's natural makeup lipstick. The packaging of this is really nice. I think this one was for 130 something rupees, and yeah, this is great. And this one is the shade Give Me a Rose. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. And yeah, so yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. Those are all the products that I got from Nykaa this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.